Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a fabulous day. So I just got my Sephora Play in the mail for August 2019 and I am super excited. So Sephora Play is soon to be one of the most affordable beauty subscriptions. If you did not hear the news, Ipsy is raising their prices to $12. I did a video on that earlier today, so I will link that in the eye and down below in case you missed it. But Sephora Play, or Play by Sephora, is $10 a month, and it of course is by the beauty brand or beauty company Sephora. So in this box you get 5 samples and then 1 bonus item, and that bonus item is typically a perfume or a foil packet. And all the items in here are items you can find in store at Sephora, so you can try them out, and if you like them you can go and purchase them or purchase them online. Each box also comes with some beauty insider points, so you can use those. So I'm not sure what I am getting this month, but I heard a lot of people are getting a Sunday Riley product, so I'm hoping I am too. So I will leave the link down just for a play if you're interested. I'll also link down below my 2 active giveaways if you have not yet entered. Definitely check those out, but let's get started and see what I got this month. So here's what it looks like when I open the box. So it comes with like a handout each month, and there are the 50 insider points. And then all of the goodies are inside this bag. I like the color this month. They've been switching it up. It's like a green, so you can reuse this Ziploc if you want. Did they make this bag bigger too? Because usually they have trouble closing it. I think they did increase the size. Anyone else notice that, or is that just me? Let's see what the theme is first. Oh, it looks like there's like a comic strip. It says The Adventures of Play Bay. Our resident superhero is here to help you make the most of your Play by Sephora subscription. So I won't read this all to you, but they always have like really fun graphics and sometimes like fun games and stuff like that in here. Always cute. And on the back it talks about your items, so I will leave that here, and let's get started and see what I got. I'm just gonna kind of pour it all out. So I do see several items I know aren't cruelty-free, and one company I'm not sure of, so I'm like crossing my fingers. But I will start with this item over here. This is Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. And I've heard recently that Laura Mercier is not cruelty-free, so I will likely be putting this in an upcoming giveaway. It says Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. Not that a defender of justice needs more drama, but this glossy black mascara can't help but make a scene. And it says their gentle formula contains French mineral-rich volcanic and seawater materials that help condition and moisturize lashes. And apparently this is a new product, so one of you guys will get this mascara mini in the future. If you are new here, I do giveaways all the time. I like to give back to you guys. And the next item will also be going in a giveaway because it's by Clinique. I've tried this in the past and it is good. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. So this is a pretty decent size. It says, just like a true hero, this face cream never rests. It helps skin stay hydrated for 72 hours. When your skin needs some major moisture that lasts, massage a dime-sized amount onto clean, dry skin morning and night. And it says this is award-winning. Alright, and the third thing I know is not cruelty-free without looking is by Glam Glow, and this is their Super Toner Exfoliating Acid Solution. This is an itty-bitty toner. But I think you can get at least a few uses so you can see if you like it or not before you purchase it. Emmy, what are you doing? She's like rolling around. My cats are loving like the Balzano bag I have. It's like this huge plastic mailer bag that has a person inside, and they're like rolling on it. But it says Glam Glow Super Toner Exfoliating Acid Solution Toner. The name says it all. The Super Toner has the power to help exfoliate, purify, and clarify your complexion. How to use: shake to activate the charcoal, acids, and clay, then sweep over clean, dry skin. Start by using it twice a week and build up to every night. And this is a Sephora exclusive. So again, one of you will get this as well. I think I kind of ran into this issue last time I was opening this box, so I kind of have to evaluate whether or not I want to continue this, even though, like I just said, it is like one of the most affordable beauty subscriptions. But if I can't use everything, then, you know, I'm pretty sure I can use Ren Clean Skincare. This is the Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. And this is a decent size, 15 mLs. I'm honestly not in the market for, is my camera in focus? I can't. I like touched the screen before I started filming and my fingers were kind of wet, and it looks like it's not in focus, but I think it is. Sorry if it's not. I guess I will find out when I edit. But it says, this is chosen for my skin concern as a best seller. It's providing comfort and protection for skin in distress. Is this antioxidant packed cream specialty? The last step in your skin routine, smooth a dime-sized amount over skin and allow the cushiony texture to soothe and hydrate morning and night. So I'm gonna do a quick little Google search and see what the cruelty-free status is of this. It says, Ren Clean Skincare have never and will never test on animals. So yay, one thing for me so far. And the next thing I'm super excited about, which I'm really hoping is cruelty-free, is a Buxom gloss, I think, or a Buxom lippy. I've never used anything by Buxom before. So here's that. Okay, so it says Buxom Full-On Plumping Lip Cream Gloss in Hot Toddy. The shimmer-free cream gloss is a toasty nude shade, wraps lips in moisture, visually plumps lips, and fits your pockets so you can go from civilian to hero in a swipe. So Buxom is known for their tingly, visually plumping formula, and this unique line of gloss creams comes in a wide variety of shades, all named after delicious beverages. So I'm gonna do another Google search, hold on. Hey, Ethical Elephant says Buxom is a cruelty-free brand, so let's do a little swatch. I'm so excited about this. This makes the box for me. I mean, is it $10? I don't know, but. So it's got a little doe foot. So, oh, I can feel the tingle. This will be a nice gloss to wear. I'm really excited to finally get to test out a Buxom gloss, so yay. All right, and the last thing is also cruelty-free, so it's like a split here, and this is the bonus item. This is the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. Protects and perfects medium to thick hair. I have very fine, thin hair. So it says this is chosen for my hair concern. I don't know if I ever said I had frizzy hair, but frizz is no match for this smoothing, protective leave-in hair cream. Warm a quarter-size amount with your hands to watch it transform from cream to oil, and apply throughout damp strands before styling. So I'll probably add this to a future giveaway just because I don't need it. And on here it says, it's a bird, it's a plane, no wait, it's an extra trial size sample. So yeah, so we got 6 samples this month instead of like the perfume sample or a foil packet, so that's cool. And this is 25 ml, so I feel like this will last a while, but I'm gonna give this away. So really all I'm keeping, I mean for sure, is the lip gloss. I'm not even in the market for any type of day cream, but maybe I'll need this when I travel or something like that. But I am happy to try the Buxom gloss, so that will be great. But yeah, what do you guys think? Should I continue the subscription? Anyone else out there that's cruelty-free that gets this, or did you have to stop? Please leave your thoughts down below. But yeah, anyways, overall, it's okay. If I didn't get this Buxom gloss, I would be a little disappointed. I am a little disappointed I didn't get that Sunday Riley A+ retinol serum. I might be because I've gotten it before, probably in this bag. I can't remember anymore. I think the last time I got it was actually in a Sunday Riley box, but I love Sunday Riley skincare. I could always use more, and I only have a sample of the other one. The only reason why I knew that was coming is because Sephora has a YouTube channel, and they like had a thumbnail that said that Sunday Riley was coming in most of the boxes. I didn't even watch the video, so hopefully you guys got it. You guys have to let me know, are we bag twins? Did you guys get the same things as I did? I'm like seriously unsure if I should continue Sephora Play, but it's so fun to get, but I don't know. I definitely could use your feedback. So yeah, you guys, if you guys didn't catch my Ipsy video, that will be linked down below along with my giveaways like I said. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Okay, I'm back. So I was thinking, I was like putting my stuff away. I'm like really in the declutter and also the giveaway mood lately. So I put all 4 items back in this bag. I'm only gonna keep the Buxom gloss, I decided. So I thought, why not just do another mini giveaway? I love giving back to you guys, and the more people I can give back to, the better. Oh yeah, for a second I thought I didn't turn the mic back on. So I will be giving away these items, plus I will add in a few more items as well. I'll probably fill up this bag, which you can see is kind of empty. So, well, crazy cat. So to enter, first of all, you just have to be subscribed to my channel. 2nd, like this video. And 3, leave a comment down below. This is really important because in about a week, so let me see, what is the date today? So on the 27th, I will close this So on the 28th, I will use a random comment generator, and I will pick a random comment, and then I will verify you followed all the rules, and then I will comment down below, or I'll reply to your comment and let you know you won and have you send me your information. So I will leave all of this information down below. My giveaways are always open international. They're for 18 and older unless you have your parental permission, your parents' permission. I feel like I said that weird. So yeah, so we'll have this open for a week. You'll get these 4 goodies, which I think are pretty good. I just can't use them, or I have enough of the moisturizers and all of that in my collection, and I've just really been trying to get rid of my stuff. So now I have 3 giveaways going on, so hopefully that's exciting for you guys. And let me know, like, if you want to win more makeup or more skincare. What's more exciting for you to win? Let me know. Anyways, now I will actually say goodbye. Again, all of this information will be down below. Anyways, good luck. I love ya, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.